Hello students, I am Ruhin Miss, your new science teacher, and I am going to take your science subject of class 2nd. Okay, so as I have already introduced myself, my name is Ruhin Miss and today we are going to do science subject. Okay, so let's continue with it. So before that we will learn a thought, that is, education is one thing no one can take away from you. So it is written by Ellen Nugent. So what is the meaning of this thought? Education is one thing no one can take away from you means education है वो, अगर हमारे पास एजुकेशन है then nobody can take away from it. अगर हमारे पास मनी है then anyone can take away from us, but education will not go anywhere. It is safe and we can use our knowledge in at anywhere and at any place. Okay, so in today's session we are going to do bridge course. Before that we will learn some good habits. Okay, so first is clean up. We should always keep our surrounding clean. We should also keep ourselves clean, take bath every day, and अगर हमारे आसपास कचरा है then we should also clean that area. Then second is take turns. If you are playing or going anywhere and there you are playing riding any ride, so you should take turn one by one, you should take your turn. Then be careful with tools. If you are using any tools or any tools are there at your home, don't touch it or it can hurt you. Do not interrupt. If someone is talking to you or any other two person are talking, then do not interrupt in their conversation or anyone's conversation. Then follow rules. So we should always follow the rules. If we are at our school, road, anywhere, we should always follow the rules. Then stand in a queue. We should always stand in a queue and go one by one. So next, so today we are going to do science bridge course, and that we are going to solve the questions which we have given you before, and I will explain what is the meaning of the answers and questions. Okay, explanation of bridge course with answer. Okay, so let's go ahead with the bridge course of science. Before that, we will do some riddles of on body parts. Okay, you know how you have different types of body parts, so you have to identify which body parts are there. Okay, so first is, these are part of your hands. You might wear ring on them. What is it? I will repeat it. These are part of your hands. You might wear ring on them. What is it? So here it is said that this body part is part of our hand and we wear rings in that part. So do you know which part is that? Yes, that is fingers. Very good. You have to write the answer fingers. 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 Okay, very good. Now next question. These are hard structure in your mouth with which you bite and chew. What is it? These are hard structure in your mouth with which you bite and chew. What is it? Okay, so here this part is from your mouth and it is a hard structure, and उसमें हम क्या करते हैं, वी बाइट एंड च्यू. कोई भी खाने की फूड है, चीज़ है, खाने की चीज़ है, वी बाइट फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट एंड च्यू इट. सो विच पार्ट इज दैट? That is teeth. What is the answer? Teeth. T double E T H. I repeat, T double E T H. Teeth. Okay. Next is, these are two limbs on which you walk and stand. What is it? These are two limbs on which you walk and stand. What is it? So the answer is legs. These are two limbs. We have two legs. Yes, we walk and stand with the help of our legs. हम चलते हैं और खड़े रहते हैं हमारे legs के help से. So the answer is legs. So what is the spelling of legs? L-E-G-S. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Next question is, these organs enable you see things. They each contain an iris and a lens. What is it? So these organs help you to see everything which is around you, and it contains iris and lens. So do you know what is the answer? The answer is eyes. We see with our eyes and it contains iris and lenses. Okay, so answer is eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Next is, this is the organ in the middle of your face with which you smell and you breathe. What is it? Okay, so this organ is, where is this organ? In the middle of our face. Face के बीच में है. And with the help of this organs we smell and breathe. हम smell कर सकते हैं और breathe कर सकते हैं. Which organ is this? Can you answer? Yes, it is nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Next is, this is organ that pumps blood around the body. What is it? This is organ that pumps blood around the body. What is it? So this organs pumps blood. जो हमारी बॉडी में blood है उसको pump करता है, and it is inside our body. We can't see that organ. So which organ is that? Do you know? That is heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. So answer is heart. And it is situated on your left side of the chest. You can touch and feel the sound, okay? On the left side of your chest. Then this grows from your head in many strands. You might often get it cut. What is it? So here this organ is grows in your head. हमारा head है वहाँ पे होता है, and then we often cut it. हम ज़्यादा उसको cut करते हैं. So which organ is that? Do you know? That is hairs. H-A-I-R-S. Hairs. What is that organ? Hairs. H-A-I-R-S. Then next, these are two limbs that connect to your shoulders. What is it? So these are also two. First we have learned that two limbs that are legs, and here this is also two, but it is connected to our shoulders. हमारे shoulders से connected होता है. Then what is it? Answer is arms. A-R-M-S, arms. A-R-M-S, arms. Then these are the hard structures that grows at the tip of your fingers and toes. What is it? So this structure is hard. हमारी fingers है उनके ऊपर होता है और toes में भी होता है. It grows and it is hard structure. What is it? It is, these are nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. Next, these are the organs on either side of your head that allow you to hear. Okay, so these organs help you to hear the sounds which are around you. So which organ is this? Obviously, these are ears. We have two ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. These are at the end of your legs. They have heels, toes, and allow you to stand. Okay, so this organ is the end at the ends of your legs. हमारे legs है उसके end में है ये organ, and this helps you to stand. Okay, so what is that organ? That is feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Next, this is the joint in the middle of your leg. What is it? This is the joint in the middle of your leg. What is it? So what is that? These are the joints. हमारे legs के बीच में joints होते हैं जहाँ से bend हो सकते हैं legs और वो हमारे legs को join करते हैं. So what is that? Knee. What is the answer? Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Okay, this was the last riddle. Now you have to copy this all the riddles and with the answer in your rough book. Okay, now we will go ahead with the next exercise. Okay, now we will do another exercise, that is guess the animals. Okay, here you will see some letters and some pictures. We have to find out and guess the name of the animal. So here you can see B is written, plus a picture is given of a ear. So which animal will it is? It is bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Then next is guess the animal. D-O-N is written and a picture of key is given. So it will be donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. D-O-N K-E-Y. Donkey. Next, guess the animal. Which is this animal? Picture of earth is given and a worm is given. So it is earthworm. Very good. Now spelling is E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M. Earthworm. E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M. Earthworm. Next is man is given and a key is given. So it will be monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Then next is a blue color balloon and a whale. So it will be blue whale. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Blue whale. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Blue whale. Then next is cat and a pillar is given. Okay, so it will be caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Then next, rain is coming and the picture of deer is given. So it will be reindeer. R-E-I-N D-E-E-R. Reindeer. R-E-I-N-D-E-E-R. Reindeer. Reindeer. Then next is sweet jelly. Do you like jelly? Yes, yes. Then the picture is of fish. So it will become jellyfish. So spelling is J-E-L-L-Y F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y F-I-S-H. Jellyfish. Then next is L-I. Lie and the button is on. So it will become lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Then next is cam and EL. Camera is given and EL is given. So it will become camel. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Do you know what is camel called? Camel is called sheep of the desert. What is it called? Sheep of the desert. Then next is penguin. Pen is given and gun is given. So it will become penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Then next is sea. Picture of sea is given and a horse is given. So what it can be? It is seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. Seahorse. Okay, so here this puzzle game gets over. Guess the animal exercise gets over. If you are left behind, you can go back and start the video again and you can watch it again and write it in your book. So you have to note it down in your rough book. Okay, all these names you have to note it down in your rough book. So next we will go ahead with our bridge course, and in that we have already done question 1, that was MCQ. Yes, now we will do fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. So I hope you have checked your MCQs and we will go ahead with the fill in the blanks. So here there are options given. Yes, so in that first FB is dash bring us rain. So you know rain comes, तो कहाँ से आता है rain? Sky. But who brings rain? Clouds or air? So answer is okay. So answer is clouds. Okay. Now next, we must breathe in dash air. Dirty or clean? Dirty means ganda and clean means in which there is no dirt or anything. So we should breathe fresh air, dirty air or clean air. So answer is clean. Okay. Now next is dirty air contains So what does dirty air contains? Dirty air में क्या होता है? Germs or stones? So the answer is germs. Okay. So next is cat and dog are natural and dash things. So some have cats and dogs as their pets. Okay, and you can see cats and dogs roaming around your house also. So are they living things or non-living things? They cats and dogs can breathe, can walk, can eat, and they also need shelters, food and air. So they are living or non-living? Yes, they are living things. So answer is living. Then next is dash protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. Options are garden or house. So what protect us from heat, rain, cold? हीट है, रेन, कोल्ड और विंड, ये सारी चीज़ों से अगर हमको प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए देन हु विल प्रोटेक्ट अस? गार्डन और हाउस? क्या हम गार्डन में जाते हैं या हाउस में जाते हैं? सो आंसर इज हाउस. अगर हीट है, रेन, कोल्ड या विंड कोई भी चीज़ है तो वी स्टे एट अवर होम. यस, सो इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम ऑल दिस थिंग्स. सो आंसर इज house. Then plastic is used to make bottle or rubber. So answer is plastic किसके लिए यूज होता है? बॉटल और रबर. सो आंसर इज बॉटल. ओके. Next is number 7. We should eat dash food. Fresh food or stall food? I repeat the question. We should eat dash food. Fresh food or stall food? These are the two options. Fresh means जो अभी अभी रेडी हुआ है और एकदम हॉट होता है, जो मम्मी बनाते हैं ना खाना, then they make it at that time, that is called fresh food. And stall food means which we bring from outside stall, जो हम बाहर से खाना लेके आते हैं ना खरीद के, that is called stall, जो बाहर रोड पे होता है वहाँ से. So what should we eat? Fresh food or stall food? We should eat fresh food. So answer is fresh. Okay. Then dash number 8. Dash is used to make shoes. Milk or leather? Okay, milk तो पीने के लिए होता है. We drink milk. Then leather. So the leather is used to make shoes. जो हम shoes पहनते हैं वो किससे बनते हैं? They are made from leather. So answer is leather. Number 9. We get wood from dash. Okay, wood मतलब क्या? लकड़ी. We can see wood at our home also. There are chairs, tables, bed. They all are made from wood. In your school also you can see that benches are all made of wood. And this wood is we get from tree or animal. We get wood from tree. जो लकड़ी wood है वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? ट्री में से. So answer is tree. Then big and strong plants are called dash. Shrubs or tree. Big और strong plants होते हैं, जो एकदम बड़े plants होते हैं, वो क्या बोलते हैं उनको? What are they called? Shrubs or trees? Shrubs है वो छोटे होते हैं, but trees are very big and strong. So the answer is tree. Okay, so here your bridge course question number 2 gets over, and we have solved all the 10 FBs, and I hope you understood all the answers. So we will revise it one time. Okay, so first FB, dash bring us rain. The answer is clouds. Number 2, we must breathe in dash air. Dirty or clean? Answer is clean. Then number 3, dirty air contains dash. That answer is germs. Then number 4, cat and dog are natural and dash things. So they are living things. Number 5, dash protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. So the answer is garden and so options are garden and house. So the answer is house. House protect us from heat, rain, cold and wind. Then number 6, plastic is used to make dash. So answer is bottle. Number 7, we should eat dash food, fresh or stall. Answer is fresh food. Number 8, dash is used to make shoes, milk or leather. The answer is leather. Number 9, we get wood from tree or animals. Answer is tree. Then number 10, big and strong plants are called dash, trees or shrubs. The answer is tree. So here your question 2 gets over, and you have to check your answer with your assignment which you have completed in your vacation period. So you can copy out this all the questions with answer in your rough book, and you can revise it. I hope you understood these questions and answers and you enjoyed this video. You can go back and you can see video again if you have left behind or any answer is left to write. So you can go back and see that answer also. Okay, meet you in next lecture. Thank you.